Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got our carburetor here. This is off of our 51 Dodge Wayfarer with gyromatic transmission. The last video, we seen how the choke works, and we identified that there's possibly an intake leak here at the throttle shaft. Looking at this carburetor, it looks like it could be rebuilt, like it could use a rebuild. It's leaking, kind of just nasty. You can see our dash pot here is all busted up and broken. I did a quick Google search kind of looking. I can't even find one of these. So if anybody watches this and you know where to get these, let me know. But this is a Stromberg carburetor. It is a BXVES-3. Up here on top of the float bowl is actually your carburetor number, 3-95G. There's a few companies out there that sell rebuild kits for this. One that I did find here, we got our handy dandy shop manual. These are always good. You know, got our carburetor stuff in here. Boom, right here, so we can rebuild it and see how it works. But here, Mike's carburetor parts. I've used them before when I redid my carburetor on my 54 F100. So we're going to go ahead and go here, carburetor type. We're going to look for our Stromberg carburetors here. And then our model, so it's a single barrel BX. Here's a rebuild kit. These are some other different things that they offer. Let's see here. BXV. Let's click on this one. Let's scroll down. It shows what make and model, right? So we have a 51. I think the Wayfarer is a D42. It's right here. Here's our carb model, and then let's look for our number. I think it was this here, 3-95G. So this kit will work. From them, it's about $82.95. I've seen some other kits like on eBay for around $50-60. I don't know if they're of the same quality. Mike's Carburetor Parts is pretty good. They do videos on YouTube and stuff showing their kits, showing how to rebuild. So this kit, as you can see, comes with all of your gaskets, your mounting flange gasket, your top cover gasket. These are there's like a spacer in between the throttle body and the main body. We got accelerator pump, we got a dash pot, what is this, like a diaphragm. This is our little gasket for the kickdown switch. We got our mixture screw, new spring, we got some jets, comes with a needle and seat, some new clips. I think this is the clip for the float bowl, or yeah, for the float. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and order this up. I was gonna contact him to see if they offer the throttle shaft bushings, but I'm gonna get the carburetor taken apart first and check it out. So yeah,